Hey guys, so are you really happy in what you're doing, whether it be online marketing or you have a 9 to 5? Today we're going to discuss happiness and the importance of happiness in getting where you want to be or being successful or whatever you want to be doing, right? So Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And today we're discussing happiness. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed just yet. If you already did, hey, send my video to a friend that you think it might help, or in any way they were looking for some reassurance or whatever. Just send my video over to your friend if you've already subscribed. Spread the love, okay? Remember, if you haven't subscribed just yet, also remember, if you haven't hit that bell to get my notifications, hit the bell so you know as soon as I post a video. So if you watched my video yesterday, you'll see that I was just talking about being comfortable, no makeup, simple entrepreneur, the whole 9 yards. And today I made a new discovery, and I want to share with you guys, because you guys come on here every day to get daily nuggets of how to do your online business or how to be an entrepreneur, digital marketing, affiliate marketing. So I'm going to share what happened with me today. So I have no problem, I have no problem going without makeup. I'm quite comfortable. Beauty is within is my whole belief. If you're comfortable in the skin you're in, then you need to work on that. You know what I mean? We got to fix that. Yeah, makeup doesn't cover the faults or the blemishes. It's just a visual thing. So I've always had, long hair. I think I cut it just once in a style, and that was it. And I had my hair relaxed, put in the chemical in my hair, and so that it's easier to manage, because my natural hair is really, really thick, and I can't, honestly, I can't manage it, right? So even when I started out in the online world, I was considering going natural, but I was like, I won't have enough time to deal with it and stuff like that, so it's easier being processed. Now, for the past year, I've just been going, I've just been washing my hair weekly and, treating it. I have not been using any chemicals in my hair, because I said I'm at that point in my life now wherein I'll have more time and so on and so forth. So yesterday I made a big chop. Well, last night actually, after I did the video, I made a big chop, with my hair. I cut it all off. A few years, like maybe 10-15 years ago, I had an afro. I loved it. I loved it so much. And as I say, I've always been happy in my identity. I never struggled with that. But after I cut my hair last night and I got that afro back, I got to a new point of happiness. I discovered, guys, I'm telling you, I discovered a new level of happiness. I'm probably going to be doing some videos with my hair growth also, and just the healthiness of it. I'll probably do a new playlist just with all hair activity. Let's see how how that goes. I should have enough time. I have no worries about that. So guys, even if you're not interested in being an entrepreneur, I'll be doing videos on natural hair too, or just hair care in general. So you could subscribe for that reason, if not for making money online. So back to it. So yeah, I discovered it. I was so excited. I can't just keep my hands out of my hair. I got that big afro going on now, and I said, this is weird. I mean, I am so happy. And listen, I liked when my hair was processed because it's easier to manage. I like that. Now this is a new challenge for me, because I've never had the liberty, or not, I'm sorry, not liberty, but I never had the luxury of curing my natural hair. So this is going to be a new challenge for me that I'm looking forward, for this journey also. I might go back to chemicals in my hair. Reason being, I'm sorry guys, my little location here that I got my camera going, it's messing up. There we go. Okay, let's not get too distracted on this camera. Right. So yeah, so as I was saying, I might go back to the chemical. Reason being, it's easier to maintain, you know what I mean? And I'm in the military, so I just go bam bam bam, it's up, and I'm good to go. It takes no time in the morning to comb because it's processed. I just brush it back and we're good, right? With my hair, it's my natural hair, it's gonna be a lot more work, but I'm ready to put it in and see what can become of that. And I never knew that seeing that afro would have brought me such happiness. You know what I mean? There's sometimes, things that actually will bring us happiness, we wouldn't know until when we're in that situation. Because I always knew I loved natural hair, no question in my mind. I always knew I loved afro, but I also love the chemical in my hair because it's easier to manage and maintain. So, I mean, yeah, the chemical is all bad or whatnot, but as long as you treat your hair, with some form of care, I don't think it will do that major, dishonor to your hair or whatever. Because I had healthy hair while I had the chemical in it, also because I treated it, I wrap it, I treated it how it was supposed to be treated, so I didn't have the problem of my hair being damaged on the whole 9 yards. You know what I mean? I started experiencing damages actually when I was growing out my hair. That's when I started getting the split ends and the whole 9 yards, because I wasn't doing, the treatment that I would do when it was relaxed. But I love both, but I must say I got to a new point of happiness. And doing this video right now, I mean, I was always excited to get in front of the camera and talk or whatever, stuff like that. But I'm just at a new point of happiness. I'm just like, yes, you know what I mean? Like, yes, I love this. And I still haven't worn the afro. Guys, I like wrapping my head also. I don't know, it's just a habit. I like it. So like with this, I like this. But the moment I get my hair now, like, because now it's all twisted, so it's all, kinky, and it won't give me the afro that I want. Hence the reason I did not do this video with the afro. But keep on watching and make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to show you that big afro. And remember, I did a huge cut and I still got that afro going. So keep on watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe, because one day might just be reveal. You know what I mean? So yeah, I just want to talk about that, because I mean, the level of happiness got me just doing more work in it's crazy, right? But I'm so excited and happy. I got up last night and I did some additional work. Happiness is a great thing, man. It's just amazing. Just the afro, a haircut would give me this. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you want to try out my link of what I do online, so I can come on here every day and do a video and still make money, hit the link below. I'll have it in the description below. If you just enjoy my vibe or whatnot, let's be friends on Facebook, guys. Let's get goofy. Let's have a party over there in Facebook. My link is also below in the description for my Facebook page and also my Instagram page. Guys, I make money on Instagram also. If you want to learn how to do that, hit my Instagram link, follow me on Instagram, ask me, question me, and I'll tell you what I do. I want to let you know what I do, guys, so you can try out my method and see if it works for you, because I'm here to help you. Leave a comment below if you want me to discuss something. I'll see what I can do. Leave a like, leave a heart, leave something that I know that you guys are enjoying this video that these videos that I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. I do a video every day, guys, just for you. Just for you. Thanks for hopping on. Remember to subscribe. Send your friend the link. Have her subscribe. And let's have party over here. All right. Thanks for hopping on, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.